Good morning, girls, boys and staff. Welcome to our final assembly for the winter term. 4 more sleeps and then we can all enjoy a well-deserved break from school activities. What a different experience we've all had this term, being online every day and having to apply yourself to your tasks, and not being able to participate in any group work exercises. Some of you have had limited social interaction with your friends, while some of you have had to isolate yourself and have not seen your friends for a long time. The wearing of masks, how have we all had to adapt to wearing one 24/7? In the April holidays, we were in lockdown and nobody was allowed to travel anywhere. I'm sure many of you have faced the disappointment of not being able to go on holiday, to escape from the daily routine you face at home. And it would seem that the August holidays are going to be the same while the lockdown continues. So the question that is being asked is, when will we be able to throw our masks away, attend school freely, see your friends daily, enjoy a full week of extracurricular activities, and get away to your destination for a holiday? How I wish I could answer any one of those questions, but sadly I'm unable to. However, what I can respond to is how proud I am of each one of you for everything you have done to ensure that you have completed this academic term successfully. That despite the unpleasant conditions, each one of you has shown courage to continue doing what is required of you, and that you continue to be the best person you can be. A big thank you to everyone that went to the trouble of putting together the plastic or jar of hope food packs. It was wonderful to see how many of you were thinking of people in our community who are suffering from hunger. Your efforts will go a long way to helping those in need during this difficult time. Whilst the term has not been normal in any way, and we've all had to accept the disappointment of not being able to carry on with our usual daily activities, all of us at Dainfern College have so much to be grateful for and appreciative of what we have. Loving families, warm clothes, daily meals, access to electronic devices that enable everyone to stay connected with extended family and close friends, and of course, access to online learning. And so in many ways, you've been able to continue with what you were expecting to have to do this year. For so many children in our country, they have not had the same opportunities, the same privileges. Their schools were closed for a long time, and so their opportunities to learn and complete tasks have been limited. Let us not forget the most special people that have worked so hard to ensure that you could have a successful term, your wonderful teachers. Without their dedication and commitment to ensure that the online learning is a success, none of you would have been able to complete your studies for this term. On behalf of all our students, I thank you, teachers, for everything that you've done for everybody throughout this term. This morning, we are able to recognize so many students that are being acknowledged for their sporting talent and commitment in our summer sports of cricket and swimming. I would like to say well done to every student who has been recognized today in the different categories. Thank you for representing your college with pride and for the many successes that we witness both in the pool and on the fields. Special congratulations to our students that have earned their full colours, and also to those receiving excellence awards. We are indeed proud of each one of you that has been mentioned in the different categories. Thank you to Chida Yengarai for today's devotions, and to Jess Johnson for today's musical item. To our students celebrating birthdays, happy birthday for your special day, and I wish you all a wonderful year. To staff, students and parents, thank you for everything you've done to ensure another successful term for our college. I wish everyone a good health and a safe August holiday. Don't forget that on Friday we'll be celebrating our 23rd birthday, Founders Day. The celebration will be online and parents and students are invited to join us for this special occasion. So girls and boys, parents and staff, let's have an enjoyable week, and until next time, cheerio.
Hello, my name is Jocelyn Johnson. I'm in grade 5 and I will be playing Lullaby for you today, hoping to put my friends to sleep.
Good morning, boys and girls, staff and parents. Today's Sports Award Assembly marks a significant chapter in our Dainfern community. This morning is a celebration of our students' sporting achievements in swimming and cricket for Term 1. It is indeed a pleasure to recognise their outstanding contribution and the role that they have played in nurturing and inspiring our young athletes. Our colours criteria is a rigorous and meticulous process. Full Colours and Excellence Awards are awarded to students for their achievements in meeting the required criteria as stated in our colours policy. Students who have achieved this award have competed at the highest level, either regionally, provincially or nationally, and have given 4 years continuous service to their respective sporting code. In addition, they have led by example and set a standard and precedent for others to follow. This morning, the respective age group award recipients will be displayed on the assembly slides. Excellence and Full Colour awards will be read out. Excellence in Swimming is awarded to the following students: Lewis Bishop, Dylan Goldberg, Rogan Trutter, Ava Lambdropoulos, Ava Pillay, Alexa Marks, Tatum Ace, Braylee Penny, Cameron Walpert, Athena McColgan, Christy Piquet, Jessica Smith, Kate Jackson, and Zach Tomasos. Congratulations to those swimmers. Excellence in cricket is awarded to the following students: Jordan De Smet, Blake Smith, Didier Leroux, Ryder Robinson, Tyrone Peters, Hugo Norambura, Joshua Mackay, Chris Buhan, Nicholas Maas, Judd Berthold, Luke Brooks, Matthew Jacobs, and Ryan Wibberley. Congratulations to those cricket players. Our highest award, being full colours, are awarded to the following swimmers: Amber Lily Ferron, Riley Egbers, Matthew Bradley, Jed Goldberg. Congratulations to those swimmers. Our full colour awards for cricket are awarded to the following two players. Congratulations to Kurt Reichenberger and Bjorn Berthold. This year, the Swimmer of the Season award is shared between two swimmers. Congratulations to Christy Piquet and Amber Lily Ferron. The Cricket Player of the Year award is awarded to Kurt Reichenberger. The successes of our sporting stars would not be possible if it was not for the dedication and commitment of their coaches and teachers. I would like to extend my personal thanks to Mr. Watson, Mr. Nell, Mr. Munro, Mr. Egbers, Mr. Jennings, Mrs. Oakham, and Ms. Shellard for the pivotal role that they have played in encouraging, nurturing, and inspiring our athletes. In closing, I look forward to seeing our students participating on the fields in the not too distant future. Hopefully this will be a reality that we eagerly await. Until then, be blessed, keep safe, and take care.
Good morning, school. Our Bible reading comes from Romans 12, verse 12. Let your hope keep you joyful. Be patient in your troubles and pray at all times. Hope is a vital component to having a happy life. Hope is what gets you up in the morning and keeps you believing for the best. Hold on to your hope and let it give you joy and confidence. At the same time, be patient and don't forget to pray. Please bow your heads with me in prayer. Lord, thank you for the hope and confidence I have in you. My hope comes from you, so I can be joyful. Help me in the things I'm facing, and may I never forget to pray and call on you, because you will help me. Amen.